Fixing cars is not cheap, and inflation is making that much worse for a lot of Idahoans. But there's a new local shop that is hoping to fix that issue. I'm your Idaho News 6 West Boise neighborhood reporter Isaiah Sharp, and just behind these garage doors here is a space that's all about doing it yourself, but with a little assist. Do it yourself. It's a growing trend even when it comes to cars. But there can be challenges under the hood.
A lot of things that the dealership can do, you can do yourself.
Denniston Howe grew up repairing cars with his dad, but never had the space or the equipment to repair his own 4Runner until DIY Auto Repair opened shop off Fairview in West Boise.
Having a shop like this just makes it a lot easier to come in here and knock it out and do it right.
Now it's his one-stop shop to repair his rig. Owners offering all the tools and lifts needed to get his car back off-roading.
There's a lot of things that we provide that make these jobs that might seem daunting to somebody or impossible even, really attainable here.
Chris Waskowiak and his wife Reagan both grew up in the car world.
I've always loved cars. Chris has always loved cars. We've always worked on cars together.
And knew the Treasure Valley needed a place that car enthusiasts could do it themselves.
I think it's just really important for Boise to be able to have something like this so that they can just get it done, get the work done and be on the way.
And to get it done at a lower cost. According to the Consumer Price Index, over the past year, car repair costs have gone up 20%.
The cost of repairing a vehicle it's going up just like everything else.
But now the Treasure Valley has a new option, and DIY has technicians who can help with anything you need to get back on the road. Even though this is a first-of-its-kind shop in the Treasure Valley, this DIY couple is hoping to expand, potentially bringing shops to Caldwell and Nampa so that more Idahoans can do it themselves. Reporting in West Boise, I'm your neighborhood reporter Isaiah Sharp for Idaho News 6.